In the cold darkness of space, 20 light-years away from us, among the stars of the Libra constellation, revolves a world that stunned even the most reserved scientists. A planet that at first glance seems unremarkable, but upon closer inspection, eerily similar to Earth. The planet is called Zarmina, not officially, but warmly, named by one of its discoverers, astronomer Stephen Vogt, after his wife. It's not just a code of numbers, but a name, because the world turned out to be too special to remain nameless. Zarmina orbits the star Gliese 581, a faint red dwarf located in the constellation of Libra. Just 20 light-years from us, practically next door on a galactic scale. The star is much cooler and smaller than our Sun, but emits a steady stream of light and heat sufficient to support a potentially habitable world nearby. Zarmina's surface does indeed hold liquid water. This is no accident. The presence of water is what makes this planet so special and potentially suitable for life. Water is the key to energy and the development of organisms, and its existence opens the door to countless mysteries and discoveries. Thanks to this, Zarmina could be a true home for living beings. Zarmina's surface experiences harsh but still life-compatible temperatures. On the daylight side, temperatures can reach about +10 degrees Celsius, while the night side drops to -30 degrees Celsius. In the zone of eternal twilight, the climate is milder, creating a unique balance capable of sustaining liquid water and possibly life. Given the presence of water and mild temperatures in the twilight zone, life on Zarmina seems quite plausible. These conditions could host various life forms, from simple microorganisms to more complex organisms adapted to the planet's unique light and climate. Perhaps entire ecosystems are born in this narrow band between light and dark. For now, only in our imagination. Since its discovery in 2010, Zarmina has continued to captivate imaginations. Its mass is 3 to 4 times that of Earth. This means gravity on the surface would be significantly stronger. A human would weigh nearly twice as much. Steps would be heavier, movement slower, and the body under constant strain. Such mass implies a dense structure, likely with a solid metal core and rocky surface. Zarmina is not a gas cloud, but a real world you could stand on. A world capable of retaining an atmosphere and warmth. A year on Zarmina lasts only 37 Earth days. The planet is tidally locked to its star, always showing the same side, like the moon to Earth. One half bathes in perpetual light, the other freezes in eternal night. But between them stretches a thin band of eternal twilight, a possible habitable zone. Where warmth meets cold, life may be born. Zarmina's surface is diverse and stunning. There are towering mountains, deep valleys, and vast plains under the endless twilight sky. Oceans and seas cover a significant part of the planet, shaping its climate and forming unique ecosystems. Rocky plateaus and volcanic formations give the world a harsh beauty, while rivers and lakes, fed by glaciers from the dark side, support life in coastal areas. The terrain is constantly evolving under the influence of gravity and internal processes, making Zarmina a living, changing planet. While much of the twilight zone may have a calm and stable climate, some regions face intense weather events, especially at the boundary between light and dark, where temperatures shift rapidly. Powerful hurricanes can rage. These storms may last for weeks, sweeping everything in their path. The planet's dense atmosphere and stronger gravity make these storms taller, wider, and more dangerous than Earth's. Despite its advantages, Zarmina is far from a peaceful world. Its surface often suffers asteroid impacts, leaving destruction and posing a threat to possible life. In addition, some areas are volcanically active, spewing smoke, ash, and sometimes lava. These natural forces can rapidly reshape the terrain and climate, creating both opportunities and hazards for life. Compared to other known exoplanets, Zarmina stands out due to its proximity and uncanny similarity to Earth. Many exoplanets are gas giants or overly hot worlds where water cannot exist. Zarmina is one of the rare rocky planets with conditions potentially suitable for life, making it uniquely valuable for exploration. Planets like Zarmina are becoming top priorities for future space missions. Scientists plan to target it with new telescopes and, possibly in the distant future, send space probes to study its atmosphere, geology, and search for signs of life. The study of Zarmina became possible thanks to modern technologies, powerful telescopes, and space observatories. Among them is the Keck telescope in Hawaii and specialized spectrographs that analyze the light of the star and its planets, revealing atmospheric composition and surface features. Upcoming missions with even more sensitive instruments, including next-gen space telescopes, are planned to study Zarmina in greater detail and search for biomarkers. Zarmina is a symbol of our cosmic dreams and hopes. This mysterious world inspires new discoveries and exploration, reminding us that the universe is far richer and more complex than we ever imagined. It motivates humanity to seek new horizons, pursue answers to eternal questions about life and our place in the cosmos. Zarmina is just one of billions of worlds hidden among the stars. But planets like this remind us that humanity is only at the beginning of its grand journey through the universe. Every glance through a telescope, every hypothesis, and every dream is a step toward the unknown. May Zarmina become not only an object of study, but also a symbol of our belief in science, progress, and the truly great discoveries that await us. If you enjoyed this, give a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss even more amazing stories about space and distant worlds. See you among the stars.